Hello lighting people, it's LEDucation 2025, just one product, everyone knows the rules. We found our way into the booth of LSI Industries and we're here with Andrew. Andrew, hello, and what's the name of the one product we're going to learn about today?
Velocity.
Velocity, and tell us, is that an indoor fixture, an outdoor fixture? Is it that attractive, sleek outdoor lighting fixture I see near us?
Outdoor lighting fixture.
Awesome,
Yeah.
What's the Velocity all about?
So we're really excited about this fixture. It's a modular style fixture that we've recently developed within the last 8 months to 9 months or so. We've been working on it for a few years now, and it's a 2 modular system that we're showcasing today. As you can kind of see, there's 2 modular pieces here. Each one is designed to rotate around as a square. There's a couple arrows on the top that show you which way the optic goes, but because we can do 2 modular pieces and also go up to 4 modulars, we do give 15 different optical control pieces to it. So we allow you to have diversity within those distributions and get a little bit more robust with our Type 4. We have a really strong Type 4 optic that can push even further than most within the industry. We're boasting of up to 176 lumens per watt currently with this product. And we're finding as we go to do our designs that we are 10% better as compared to lumens versus our competitor.
Better in what sense?
So out of the gate, if we're looking at a 30,000 lumen product versus another 30,000 lumen product, we would automatically deduct that through our internal design team at a 27,000 lumen or 26,000 lumen product and still come up with the same light levels and actually look at a better overall efficiency average throughout the whole property.
So if people are struggling with their point-by-points for a parking lot or a roadway, they might have a chance of getting, with all those varieties you mentioned, all the different type distributions, they might be able to get that distribution they want and even save energy in the process.
Absolutely, absolutely. At a 10% reduction, we can even go more robust, and we found that if we're able to move some poles and readjust things, that we can sometimes see a reduction in about 10 to 15% in the overall material cost. So we can reduce poles, get a little stronger with some of the Type 5 optics and kind of hit a little bit more, but it just depends. So we kind of hit it at a few different angles. All starts with the discussion from the customer and what they're looking to do and what they'd like to have happen.
And you know, this fixture is sleek, it's beautiful, it's high performance as you just ran through, but we mentioned poles a couple of times, and we'd be remiss not to mention poles, especially now in this environment of uncertainty regarding costs and everything. But I've visited one of your many sites that you have in the US, so tell us your pole story about how you make them and how it's happening within our borders here.
Yeah, so we kind of bring in the steel to our local factory there. We do poles up to 40 feet, square around, kind of cut them all up as people are adding receptacles, people are putting in sway chains in there to keep from that harmonics and those poles kind of moving around. And then we can really drill those in to match any type of product in there. So we paint the poles and the fixtures all at the same time, so you kind of have that same degradation rate, and then everything shipped out of Cincinnati coming to your door.
That's fantastic. You know, it's a great product, a great product family, and I think the term lighting solutions is used a lot in the industry, but you folks really walk the talk when it comes to lighting solutions, because it's not just the fixture and the pole, it's also the entire approach that you take to your business, which is impressive. And Andrew, I'm glad to learn about your just one product today. If people want to learn more about Velocity, how can they learn more about it?
Go to lsicorp.com/lighting, and you can dive into more Velocity, and please stop by our booth.
lsicorp.com/velocity. We'll see you there, and thank you for joining us today.
All right, thank you.